Welcome everybody, welcome. My name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Guess what guys, it's Tablescape Tuesdays. I am participating in Tablescape Tuesday along with the other co-content creators. Tablescape Tuesdays is an open invite collaboration that are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. I encourage you guys to stop by their channels. You will not be disappointed. So let's get into my Tablescape Tuesday. As you can see, my theme today, my color palette is white and gold, and I am using the colors of white and lime green for my pop of color. So I have my faux white and lime green hydrangeas and florals. And at the bottom, to give it a little interest, I have some moss. I thought I would give these white and lime green hydrangeas one last whirl before I move into the fall colors. I know fall is fast approaching, but I just wanted to give these white and lime green florals one last whirl because they are so pretty. So, you know, I have them sitting down. I bent the stems because these were used in another vase in my dining room. And I have bent the stems down and included them in the hurricane that I recently previewed on a previous haul. The hurricane is from Valerie and the pedestal. And I got them from QVC for Christmas in July. So I got those maybe 2 weeks ago. And I plan to use them in some upcoming videos for the holidays. The hurricanes include soft white fairy lights. So they are really pretty. It makes them illuminate so beautifully. But because of the color, you know, this hurricane is so versatile, I thought that I would include it here today on my Tablescape. So this is the only thing that's new on my Tablescape. I try not to go out and buy things for my Tablescape, not unless I absolutely need to do so. You know, because YouTube will have you spending your money. So I thought that, hey, look, let me just go look in my stash and see what I have that I can put together for Tablescape Tuesday and save my coins for the upcoming holidays. What about y'all? Do y'all do that? So in any event, I pulled the things that I had out for white and gold, and I think it came together quite nicely. Simple yet elegant. Simple yet elegant. If you like these types of videos, why don't you consider subscribing? It's free. You know, I do home decor. I have a love for home decor. I like to cook. I do tablescapes. I do retail walkthroughs. You know, I do some DIYs and some thrifting. Not a lot of DIYs though, guys, not a lot of DIYs, but I'll try to do a few. See what I can come up with in the future. But if you like these types of videos, consider subscribing. Give me a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel to grow, and it enables me to be inspired to bring you content that you enjoy. And I thank you for watching today. I appreciate your time. Try to keep this short. And I wish you all have an amazing day and many blessings to you and your families. And until next time, bye-bye.